Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Rush, the Discover Boss, here with another exclusive development. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe so you can see more content, more developments, and more reviews like this. We try to cover everything that's happening in Jamaica, whether it's a real estate development, commercial, or residential, whether it's a hotel, whether it's a new car dealership, whatever good and new things happening in Jamaica we try to cover on the channel. So definitely subscribe, guys. We're also trying to reach to 6,000 subscribers by September 1st. So join the family and so you don't miss anything. Also turn on your post notification bell. So once I do an upload, you'll get that notification as well. Also leave a comment, like the video and share the video. The more of that you do is the more YouTube will recommend and share the video to new persons as well, to complete strangers, so then more persons will see the videos, more persons will see what's happening. And we know there's a lot of persons overseas that haven't returned for a while, so these videos really help to show what's happening around the place. So welcome back to the channel, guys. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options in the description. You can donate to the channel for sure. So we are on Perkins Boulevard. Alright, so we're close to Meadowbrook, close to Pembroke Hall, we're close to Red Hills as well. So that's where this development is. It's another residential development. We see the contractor is Jashon Construction Limited. Architect is Cornerstone Design, and supervising engineer is Design Lab Limited. So this is the property we are checking out today. Not a very big property, but still very exclusive, very nice as well. So we'll get a bit closer, take some shots. So this is Perkins Boulevard, Kingston. Remember to leave your comments, guys. Let me know what you think about the location. Let me know what you think about the property. And let me know what you think about the design. So another glimpse at the finished product right here. So this is how it should look when it's finished. Alright, so the name of the property is Silverbrook on Perkins Boulevard. Alright, so this is the back of the property. So it's right next to this gully area. Alright, so the property consists of 1-bedroom units, studio units as well. Prices start at 10 million Jamaican or 64,000 US. Alright guys, and again just a reminder, leave your comments, share your opinion, share the video as well. Okay, you may have somebody that's interested in our property. I know I've covered a lot of properties on the channel, so definitely share. We'll also take a little drive around the area just to show you guys some more of the community as well. So definitely stay tuned and give the video a like. Alright, so we're still on Perkins Boulevard. We are now outside of Perkins Estate, just showing you guys around the area. They have quite a few houses up on the hill. Alright, so where we just recorded is down that side. If you look very closely, so that's the property we just recorded. And then this is just up the road from there. So as promised, it's giving you guys a better look at the area. Some very nice houses up there. A lot of garbage dumping is done here, and even this side of the road has a lot of potential for beautification. We don't see that happening a lot around Jamaica when it comes to beautifying the sidewalks and the other spaces. But nice community, decent community. Perkins Boulevard, or Perkins Boulevard, close to Reviews Road. Close to Pembroke Hall. And again guys, thanks for watching so far. Definitely subscribe, like and share, leave your comment. And if you want to donate to the channel, we have PayPal and other options as well.